R.K. Talreja College, Ulhasnagar, in association with the Microbiology Society India, proudly organized a two-day international e-conference on AI and in silico insights in biology on 12th and 13th September 2025. This event was a significant milestone, bringing together researchers, academicians, and experts from across the globe to deliberate on merging frontiers of artificial intelligence and biology. The conference opened on a spiritual note with a Saraswati Vandana invoking wisdom and knowledge. Organizing Secretary Dr. Parimita Sharma extended a warm welcome to all the participants and dignitaries. The program was then inaugurated by Principal Dr. Dinesh Kala, who highlighted the need for such a timely conference, stressing that artificial intelligence is not only transforming technology but also reshaping the way biological sciences are explored today. Convener Dr. Ranjana Khade, the driving force and the true brain behind this conference, passionately unfolded its theme and significance, reflecting her vision for uniting AI and biology. The inaugural address was delivered by Dr. Devjani Das Gupta, Director of the School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics, who emphasized the growing importance of computational tools in driving discoveries in genetics, molecular biology, and healthcare. This was followed by a highly engaging plenary talk by Dr. Sarita Mahajani, University of California, who provided valuable insights into how AI will redefine the future of biology, especially in areas such as predictive modeling, disease diagnostic, and drug discovery. The first day witnessed two technical sessions, during which 15 research papers were presented by scholars and researchers. These sessions were critically evaluated by Dr. Manish Kumar, AIMS, and Mr. Rohan Raj Roy, ICMR NIV, ensuring academic rigor and meaningful feedback to the participants. Mr. Kuldeep Matre warmly commenced the second day of the conference with a Ganesh Vandana that created a serene and auspicious atmosphere. Dr. Neeta Gundeva introduced the keynote speaker, Dr. Anil Folkmare, Technical Director, Omnicals Pharmaceutical, Portugal. Dr. Folkmare's session focused on in silico sparks in pharmaceuticals, highlighting how AI-driven simulations are accelerating drug development and reducing dependency on traditional trial and error approaches. The day continued with a highly productive technical session featuring 20 research paper presentations judged by Dr. Dhananjay Mankar, TISS, and Dr. Bharti Wadekar, Thakur College. The diversity of research themes reflected how scholars are innovatively applying AI to various biological subfields from microbiology to biotechnology. The valedictory ceremony was a fitting conclusion to this academic endeavor. It began with an address by Principal Dr. Dinesh Kala, followed by the valedictory address by Dr. A.M. Deshmukh, National President, Microbiology Society, India, who applauded the efforts of the organizers and participants. The highlights and key takeaways of the conference were presented by the convener, Dr. Ranjana Khade, summing up 2 days of intense learning and collaboration. In the final moments, co-convener Dr. Meena Rao announced the winners of the paper presentation competition. The conference concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks to all contributors, and the gathering rose in unison for national anthem, marking a dignified closure. This two-day international e-conference not only showcased the fusion of AI and biology, but also reaffirmed R.K. Talreja College's commitment to fostering research, innovation, and global academic collaboration.
मैं प्रिंसिपल आरकेटी, जो हमारी रिसेंटली कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है ऑनलाइन, इट वाज कंडक्टेड बाय द बायो साइंसेस डिपार्टमेंट। इतना शांति से और इतने अच्छे से हुआ है, एज अ प्रिंसिपल मुझे भी सरप्राइज है। इसमें 200 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेज में बायोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट यानी कि जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट, बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट और माइक्रो डिपार्टमेंट under the leadership of Ranjana Khade. This program was conducted, one of the most successful program. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे प्रोग्राम करना और कम से कम खर्चे में ये बड़ा मुश्किल काम है। इसका श्रेय मेरे अध्यापकों को जाता है। इसमें 35 पेपर पब्लिश हुए हैं, यानी कि प्रेजेंट किए गए। अभी हम एक अच्छी जर्नल में उसको पब्लिश करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Myself, Dr. Ranjana Khade, convener of the 2 days international conference. Happy to share with you all. Understanding the importance of artificial intelligence in today's life, we plan to have a conference. This conference has been organized in association with Microbiology Society India and Entrepreneurship and Incubation Cell of R.K. Talreja College. With this conference, we plan to explore complex concept of biology through AI. Now, this idea of AI related conference was backed by the advice coming from the advisory committee. We received many participation across the globe, and in this conference, resource person from India as well as from abroad share their knowledge about the artificial intelligence. We received many renowned research papers related to this conference from different faculty members, PhD scholars and students. Remarkable point about this conference was the participation by the undergraduate student. We are actually overwhelmed with the participation by the undergraduate student, and which clearly indicates the enthusiasm and interest of young learners related to the artificial intelligence. To conclude regarding this conference, AI is not just a future technology, it is actually a technology which is going to make our life much, much better. Thank you.
I am Dr. Meena Rao, the co-convener of 2-day conference, Artificial Intelligence in Silico Biology. We had this conference under the able guidance of Dr. Dinesh Kala and our capable convener, Dr. Ranjana Khade, organizing secretary, Dr. Parimita Sharma. We had technical part covered by Mr. Jitendra Patil, the paper and abstract part taken care by Mr. Nishad Supugade, Dr. Neeta Gundewar and Dr. Ganesh Nikarje. We had Mr. Kuldeep Matre, who took care of the other parts like bringing participants together. This conference brought together all the people all over the globe. We had participation from 45 countries. We also had plenary talks. We had keynote speakers and the participants who focused on the thrust areas like AI in diagnostics, predictive tools and others. This is the opportunity I take to thank our management, Seva Sadan Trust, for enabling us to conduct this conference with a grand success. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी निशाद संजय सुपुगडे. AI आणि इन सिलिको इनसाइट्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी या आंतरराष्ट्रीय परिषदेमध्ये मी ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी मेंबर म्हणून सक्रिय होतो. या कॉन्फरन्सविषयी सांगायचं झाल्यास या जैविक शास्त्रामध्ये कशा प्रकारे AI आणि इन सिलिको पद्धतींचा वापर करून आपण अधिकाधिक संशोधन करू शकतो याचा उहापोह करणे हे या कॉन्फरन्सचे प्रमुख उद्दिष्ट होते. या कॉन्फरन्समध्ये जगभरातून जवळजवळ 200 पेक्षा अधिक लोक सहभागी झाले होते. त्यापैकी पदवी, पदव्युत्तर, PhD आणि शिक्षक अशा विविध कॅटेगरीमधून हे लोक सहभागी झाले होते. त्यापैकी 35 जणांनी आपले जे रिसर्च पेपर आहेत त्या कॉन्फरन्समध्ये प्रदर्शित केले होते आणि त्यातील बरेच पेपर हे आम्ही पुढे प्रकाशनासाठी सुद्धा देत आहोत. एकूणच या कार्यक्रमासाठी मायक्रोबायोलॉजी सोसायटी ऑफ इंडिया आणि सेवा सदनच्या R.K. तलरेजा कॉलेजची एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अँड इन्क्युबेशन सेल यांनी सहकार्य केले. आणि सर्वात शेवटी म्हणजे सांगायचं झाल्यास या पद्धतींचा वापर करून येणारं जे युग आहे हे जैविक शास्त्रामध्ये विविध प्रकारे आणि विविध नव्या संधींना वाट मोकळी करून देणारं हे AI आणि सिलिको टूल आहेत. धन्यवाद.
डिजिटल महाराष्ट्र न्यूज चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा आणि मिळवा आपल्या परिसरातील ताज्या घडामोडी आणि महत्त्वाच्या अपडेट्स.